How to recover Facebook account without email and phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can recover Facebook without email and no phone number. So without any delay, let's start with the process and how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to recover your Facebook account without email and your phone number, you just need to head over to your Google or go to any of the browser and search for no email and no phone number. After that, scroll down until you are able to find this Facebook section. Like this one right here, I can't create a Facebook account without my mobile number and email. Just click on that link and you'll be taken to another page where you can find different kind of troubleshooting ideas. So you're just gonna look up for the option called this. If you don't have access to the mobile number, you can try these steps. Just tap on this and you'll be taken to another page and you may just look up for different kind of options here. Otherwise, if that doesn't follow up, you can just look up for the option called this one right here. If you think your account was hacked, you can see this option here. Just tap on this and you're gonna go to another page. After going to another page, you can see this. If you believe your account has been compromised by another person or virus, please click my account is compromised button below. Will help log in into your back so that you can regain your control. You can find this my account is compromised section. Just tap on it. After that, confirm it, and if you think your account has been hacked, you need to enter a mobile or email address as another one where you will be receiving an email address and they will try helping you recover your account. So that's how you basically recover your Facebook account without any email or phone number. Otherwise, you may just go to the help center, and type into the community, like you can see this was this helpful section. Just tap on no. After that, type on other. After that, you can see this option called can you say more. On the optional section, you're going to type in your issue and try convincing them to recover your account, but without any password, your email or your phone number. So that's how you basically do and recover your Facebook account without any email and phone number. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.